Welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode on Discord for PC step by step. Developer mode is a useful feature in Discord that unlocks extra options like copying user IDs, server IDs, channel IDs, and message IDs. This is especially helpful if you're managing servers, using Discord bots, troubleshooting issues, or sharing profile links. The good news is that enabling developer mode only takes a few seconds, and you don't need any technical experience to do it. So let's jump right in. First, open the Discord application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where your profile picture and username are displayed. Next, click on the gear icon beside your username. This will open the User Settings menu. Inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you reach the App Settings section. Now you'll see an option called Developer Mode. To enable it, simply click the toggle button next to Developer Mode. And that's it. Developer Mode is now enabled on your Discord account. Once enabled, you'll unlock additional options throughout Discord. For example, you'll now be able to right-click users, servers, channels, or messages and copy their unique IDs. This feature is commonly used by server admins, bot developers, moderators, and even regular users who want to share profile links or manage advanced Discord features more easily. Another useful thing to know is that enabling developer mode does not change your Discord layout or affect your account security. It simply unlocks hidden technical options that are normally disabled by default. If you ever decide you no longer need these features, you can return to the same advanced settings page and turn developer mode off anytime. One helpful tip is to avoid sharing copied IDs publicly unless necessary, especially in large online communities. While IDs themselves are not passwords, it's still a good idea to keep your account information organized and private. You can also test developer mode immediately after enabling it. Simply right-click on a server, user, or message, and you should now see options like Copy ID appear in the menu. This confirms that the feature is working correctly. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, enabling developer mode on Discord PC is very simple and only takes a few clicks once you know where the setting is located. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.